Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Nushu Academy. I will discuss some quantitative reasoning questions from the GMAT official guide 2022. Uh, we can know that GMAT quantitative reasoning and GRE quantitative reasoning are similar. If anyone want to appear for GMAT or GRE examination, they can practice this quantitative reasoning. I hope it will be helpful for everybody. So uh, today I discuss one question here. You can look there, a figure is given. The question is elaborated by this way. In the figure, the six small squares are identical. There are six squares, 1 2 3 4 5 6, each with sides of length 1. What is the outer perimeter shown in bold of the entire figure? So we can see this, there are six squares and each of the side length is 1 unit. So if you count this square and leveling this way, then we will, by the way, we also can down this square similarly. Then we have 1 square 2 3 4, there are 4 squares, and we have 2 squares in the top, 1 2. Then we can counting from 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Easily we get 12 sides. So what is the outer perimeter of the entire figure? We get easily 12. Okay, thank you.